Hello everyone, I'm Amber. Today, I'll introduce Flink OceanBase CDC Connector. So first, what is OceanBase CDC Connector? Well, it allows you read snapshot data and incremental data from OB. And this is a demo I set up to show you how to use Flink DDL to create dynamic table in Flink SQL CLI. So first, my environment information. We can see I'm using CentOS 7.9 because all of the environment I set up is used by Docker. So before you start, you need to make sure you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your machine. And let's check my Docker version and Docker Compose version. So here we go. We can make a OBCDC folder and go into it. Then we create a Docker Compose YAML file with touch Docker Compose YAML. Now we can see the YAML file we just created. We open it and copy the template from Flink's official doc. Set the mode to paste so that we can paste the template. And attention here, version with some letters. Complete it, and the images we're gonna use is OB long proxy, and so on. Then we use Docker Compose app. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to start Docker. We start Docker and then we check its status. Great, it's running. And now we can use the Docker Compose app command to pull the images. This may take a little time because for the first time you use this command, you're gonna have to pull all these images. And now we can see we have the images that we needed. Then we enter OB's container. The username and password we use here are defined in the YAML file. Now we create a database named OB. Then we use it. And we can create some tables now. For example, I create a table named product, and it contains name, ID, and description. To save time, I just did some copy and paste works. You can find this demo circle from Flink's doc. Now we create a new table named orders and insert some data into orders. Now let's install Flink. We make a Flink directory and go into it. And next we copy the Flink package into my machine. Because Flink uses Java, and before you can actually use it, you must install Java on your machine. And this is actually what I'm doing now. As you see, it may take a while, but I think it should be quick. Check your Java version. Good. Now we unzip the Flink package. Let's check what we got. Now we have a new Flink folder. Let's check what we have in the Flink folder. First, check our configuration. The default configuration is like this, and you may change the IP address to your actual IP, but I don't have to do so because all my environment is put in the same machine, so localhost works for me. And now let's go to the bin directory. Show us what we got. And we can start cluster. Great. Start successfully. And before you can actually use Flink OBCDC Connector, you will have to download some libraries that are required. And now I make a connector folder and go into it. Then I will download the libraries here. First, let me download Flink SQL Connector Elasticsearch package. Next, I will download Flink SQL Connector OceanBase CDC package. Check what we got. Now, we will have to move the libraries we just downloaded to Flink home lib directory. Flink 1136 lib. Oh, whoops. Lib. Here we go. And now we change the directory to lib and see what we got. Great. The libraries are ready. And now we restart Flink by stop it first. Then use start cluster. In this way, the libraries can take effect. Then we move to Flink home directory. And we're going to use SQL client to open a new Flink SQL client. We will use Flink DDL to create dynamic table in the Flink SQL client. First, we set the checkpoint interval to 3 seconds. Then I set the local time zone as Asia Shanghai. Next, I create named orders. The configurations here are defined in the YAML file, like username, password, and tenant name, and so on. I don't have to change it because I am using the default configuration. If you need to change them, just go ahead. And now I'm creating a table named products. You can find the SQL demo from Flink's doc. And I create a flag table enriched orders now. Next, I can start the reading and writing job. Okay, we're done. From the results, we can see that SQL update statement has been successfully submitted to the cluster. And if you like, you can check your data on Kibana, because I have started a Kibana service in the Docker YAML file. I'm not going to show you because I think it's very easy for you. Just feel free to try out. And you can check data changes too. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye!